So remember, ab exercises don't got to be overcomplicated. If you want to do some advanced ones, I'm gonna give you some advanced ones, or I actually got a few videos you can tap into already. Start off with abs, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna do 15 of these, nice and easy. So remember, switching it up, something I do. This is a modified version. You can do here. You can use the hand grip we're using here, or you can do this one, either or. This is gonna be the last set right here. You should be quick in and out. Make sure you not taking a lot of rest. You should be resting for 15 minutes. Do your set, count down to 15, right back to it. It's easy. Boom. So I started with these. About to go into the next exercise. Remember, when we do ab exercises, we don't need to do 15 ab exercises. Today we only gonna do 2, and then we're gonna get into the workout. We're doing sit-ups. If you have a bench available like this, bring it down like this. This is like the easiest setting you could possibly do. If I bring it up a little bit more, this is where we get to normal. So this is normal, and I can bring it up a lot higher. I can bring it up a lot higher to make it more difficult. But if you're a beginner, I want you to bring this down like this and start off with these. As you can see, I'm leaning forward more so than me leaning back. If I was to raise it up, then I'll be leaning back and my legs would be in the air. For all my beginners, if you have a bench like this, make sure you utilize this to get your sit-up game together. I'm gonna do just 15 of these. Remember, it's not how you start, it's how you finish. These little things that help you build more strength so you'll be able to do a little bit more challenging exercises as time go on. But start off with the basics, work your way up. Let's get it. I will admit that was too easy for me, so I'm gonna elevate it, bring it up. As you can see now, the feet are gonna be higher, which is gonna make it more challenging. So I do want you to remember, we're doing ab exercises to get the core stronger. Having a strong core is going to allow us to be able to lift more weights when it comes down to compound movements, for any movement for the most part. I like to start off with abs because me personally, I don't do abs at the end of my workout because I just walk out the gym. Same thing like calves. So do me a favor, not just for abs, but for the things that you're struggling to get done. If you notice you've been training for 3-4 months and you ain't been doing those and you've scheduled and planned to do those things, do those at the start of your program. If you lagging on calves, do calves at the start of your program. If you're lagging on abs, do abs at the start of your program. If you ain't been training glutes in months, do glutes at the start of your program. Let's get it. It might look like I'm doing 3 sets, or 4. This might look like my 4th set, but this is my 3rd set. I'm not counting the first one. I just want to give you a demonstration. So remember, ab exercises don't got to be overcomplicated. If you want to do some advanced ones, I'm gonna give you some advanced ones, or I actually got a few videos you can tap into already. I'll try to make sure I put it at the top. But I got some ab exercises if you need some advanced ab exercises, mainly some that you haven't done before. And I learned these from some of the best, but let's get back to it.